Hi everyone. Today I gonna make bubble sachru. That ingredient I have for the some lean pork and pork belly. I already cooked and chop it, slice it like this. And I have some clear noodle and sugar, fish sauce, and chicken flavor, and some cabbage pickle, which Khmer have tang chai, and some pickle radish, and some sliced ginger, and black pepper. And for the side dish, I have bean, that's what we call soybean sauce. I use this kind, but I just want to show it's the same. And some bean sprout and chiana, that how Khmer how chiana, and already sliced here, and some chopped green onion and fried garlic, lime, and some pickled chili. And now let's start to I need about a tablespoon of oil, tablespoon of oil, and some garlic, chopped garlic. Now the garlic turn it brown. I need to fry it. Rice. That's jasmine rice. I need to fry first before to add in the soup. It's not to cook, it's just for a little bit to get the flavor to add in the soup. For rice, I just cook about a minute to fry it with the fried garlic to get the flavor, and then put in the pot and just leave it until the rice is cooked. And for the soup, I don't do and make any just salt and meat. That's it, a little bit salt. And now I gonna add some pickled cabbage and radish, and chicken flavor, fish sauce, and sugar. Right now the rice soup it's almost cooked, and then I need to use the same pot that and I need about a teaspoon, I mean a tablespoon of oil to roast this, fry the green onion for about half a minute. Let's say 1 minute. Until it turn it a little bit brown. Now I gonna add clear noodle. That's optional. If you don't want it or you don't like it, don't add too. And forget to mention for the soup, I just boil the pork and a little bit bone and just about a teaspoon of salt. That's it. And 1 small onion. And forgot. Now I add a little bit sliced onion. I mean sliced ginger. Huh? Yeah, that's okay. 1 minute or more. It depends on you like it. And top like that. Now we're ready to serve. I bring to the table. I can add you just add a little bit of dry garlic. Ready to serve. Now I can add some meat. And some beef lamb. I don't know how to call it. And some bean sprouts.
Not the mood out, where are you?
And some
Shield.
And some chili. Some
chả khoai.
Chả khoai, that's a Chinese breadstick. I'm going to and that's it for the bò sạch rút. And for the soup, just add 1 small onion and a teaspoon of salt to cook the meat. That's it. And the meat as you wish, how much that you want. And I hope you try it soon. and the taste so good. It tastes very good. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.